Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are well and having a good time with your parents staying at home. And you are busy with your studies, isn't it? Okay, my dear students. Today also we are going to have another class, and the class is on adjectives. Okay, so in our classes we discussed what is adjective. Do you remember what is adjective? So adjective qualifies a noun. That means what? Adjective gives more information about a noun. Okay, so like that we can define adjective. This adjective is a word, the word which gives more information about a noun. Okay, so this is how we can define an adjective. Okay, whatever it is, let us go for some exercise. Then it will be very easier for you to understand better that what is an adjective. So let us look at the board. Here we find some new words in the box. Nasty, cold, new, big, sweet, black, favorite, hot, interesting and small. And these words will give something new information about a noun. And what is noun we know. Isn't it? A name of anything is called a noun. Okay, so before noun it will take place and it will modify that noun and it will give more information about a noun. So let us look at some exercise. The man bought a dish car. Okay, what kind of car the man has bought? This car is a noun. Okay, so what kind of car is that? So let us find out new word from here. Okay, so here new. Okay, so we can put here a new car. So we are getting here more information about this noun car. What kind of car is this? This is a new car. What kind of car the man has bought? A new car. Okay, so we are getting more information about this car. Another one is the teacher gave us an dish lesson. So from this box you choose an adjective. This is interesting, obviously. Okay, interesting class. The teacher gave us an interesting class. What kind of the class is? The class is an interesting class. Okay, so there are lesson. This interesting is giving an information about the lesson. Okay, another one is Henry has broken his. We can put here favorite knife. Favorite knife. Okay, knife is here noun. So what kind of knife was that? It was Henry's favorite knife. Okay, so we are getting more information about this knife. So let us look at this example. An elephant is a dash animal. A mouse is a dash one. So what kind of animal is an elephant? Elephant can be a big one, isn't it? So here we find here big. And this big is giving more information about this animal. Okay, what an animal? Elephant. Another one is a mouse is a dash one. So mouse is a small one, so we can put here small one. Okay, so another one, do you like dash apples? Okay, what kind of apples do you like? Okay, so it will give more information about apple. For example, if you like sweet, okay, this sweet is an adjective here in this sentence because it is giving more information about this apple. Actually, what kind of apple do you like? Okay, so I think these examples will make more easier to understand what is an adjective, isn't it? So I have taught you what is an adjective, and this is practically I have showed you by giving some examples. So it is your task now to practice at home, to get ready for your next step. So study at home and take preparation for your next step. Okay, so this is all for today. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can write down on the comment box. I think this topic is more clear to you now, and practice at home. Stay well. See you in the next class. Okay, bye.